Dear students, in this video we can see what is meant by regression analysis. We will see the basic difference between correlation and regression, and we can see how to determine value of one variable with the help of another variable using the technique of regression. Correlation is a statistical tool which indicates the relationship between two variables. Correlation analysis involves various methods and techniques used for studying relationship between two variables and measuring the extent of that relationship. For example, suppose we want to study the relationship between price of a product and demand for the product. Sometimes, as the price increases, demand for the product also will increase. Sometimes, in some other cases, as price increases, demand for the product will decrease. In the first case, price and demand are positively correlated, and in the latter case, there is negative correlation. And this correlation coefficient is always a value between -1 and +1. +1 indicates a strong positive relationship. That is, when coefficient of correlation is 1, we can say that as price increases, demand for the product also increases. -1 indicates a strong negative relationship. That means as the price increases, demand for the product decreases. That is, changes in value of variable happens in opposite direction. That is what is meant by strong negative relationship. If we are getting correlation coefficient as 0, that means there is no relationship between the variables. That means change in price of the product is not affecting its demand. So that is the basic idea of correlation. Regression analysis means the estimation or prediction of the unknown value of one variable from the known value of other variable. It is also a statistical tool that can be used for studying the relationship between two or more variables that are related. Example, suppose we want to study the relationship between price and supply. Price is taken as the variable x and supply is represented using the variable y. Here, if you go through the values given in the table, you can identify that as price increases, supply is also increasing. Now, here you can see that when prices is equal to 10, we do not know the supply value. The same way, when supply is equal to 15, we do not know the price. So, with the help of price, we can determine the value of supply, and also if we know the supply, we can determine the value of price. The first case we will say that supply depends on price, or y depends on x, or simply y on x. When we are using supply for determining price, we can say that price depends on supply, or x depends on y, or x on y. So here, with the help of one variable, we are trying to find out the value of the other variable. Then we will be using regression as a tool. Based on the type of variable we are going to determine, we have two different equations. If we want to determine y with the help of x values, we will be using the equation of line of regression of y on x, which is y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. If we want to determine x with the help of y values, we have to use the equation x minus x bar is equal to dxy into y minus y bar. This equation is very easy to remember. An easy method is here byx indicates coefficient of regression of y on x, and dxy is known as coefficient of regression of x on y. Coefficient of regression of y on x, or byx, is used when you want to determine y. In Byx, y is coming first. In Bxy, x is coming first. So, Bxy can be used for determining x. In Byx, the left hand side you will be writing, if you are using Byx, the left hand side you have to write y minus y bar, and in the right hand side or on the side of x, you will be writing x minus x bar. When you are using Bxy, that means you are going to determine x. The left hand side of x, write x minus x bar, and in the right hand side of y, write y minus y bar. To find Bxy and Byx, we have got three different equations. You can use any of these equations for your calculation. It is better to study all the equations and apply it appropriately. Here, a sample question is given. From the following data, we have to obtain two regression equations. That is, regression equation of y on x and x on y. Solution for that particular problem is shown here. Please go through the solution. Here, to determine the value of Byx and Bxy, we are using the second equation. And we are making substitution in that after getting the value of Byx and Bxy, you can substitute the value of these quantities in the equation of line of regression of y on x and x on y. X bar and y bar can be computed from the given values. You can use these reference books for understanding various topics that we have covered in MFCS. A question bank and previous question papers of discrete mathematics is uploaded in edX. Please check the same. Study well and do your examinations well. All the best for your examinations. Thank you.